Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. In the previous class, we had discussed the first 5 questions from revision time exercise. Today let's see the rest of the questions. So today let's start with question number 6. It says count and write the number of quadrilaterals seen in the following diagram. So please look at your textbook. You can see a diagram given there, and you have to count the number of quadrilaterals given in the diagram and write its count. Hope the question is clear to you. Let's discuss the 7th question now. It says O is the common center of the two circles shown below. The radius of the small circle is 4 cm and PQ is equal to 2 cm. The question A says find the length of the diameter of the smaller circle. B. Find the length of the diameter of the bigger circle. C. If S is a point at a distance 5 cm from O, then S lies in the dash of the smaller circle and dash of the bigger circle. Have a look at this picture. This is the same diagram given in your textbook. Now, there is center O and Q is a point on the boundary of the smaller circle and P is a point on the boundary of the bigger circle. These two circles are concentric circles, or they have the same center, and it is given that the radius of the small circle is 4 cm, which means the distance from O to Q will be equal to 4 cm, and the distance will be the same from the center to any point on the boundary of the small circle. Now it is also given that the line segment PQ, this distance is equal to 2 cm. So since they have the same center, or they are concentric circles, the distance between any point on the boundary of the small circle and any point on the boundary of the bigger circle will be the same. So let me show you what this means with an example. Let M be another point on the circumference of the bigger circle. Let N be a point on the circumference of the smaller circle. The distance between M and N, that is line segment MN, will also be 2 cm. That is, this distance will be the same, or it will be a constant. Now, if the distance from P to Q is 2 cm and from Q to O is equal to 4 cm, what will be the radius of this bigger circle? So, if this distance is 4 cm and this distance is 2 cm, the total distance OP, or the radius of the bigger circle, will be equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 cm. Hence, its diameter will be 6 into 2, which is equal to 12 cm. Now, the smaller circle has a radius 4 cm. So, its diameter will be 2 times its radius, that is 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 cm. Now it is also said that if S is a point at a distance 5 cm from O, which means S is a point on the exterior of the smaller circle. So, it may be somewhere here, let it be. Now, this distance is only 4 cm. So, if S is at 5 cm, that will be outside the circle, the smaller circle. So, let S be here. So, S is a point on the exterior of the smaller circle, but it is in the interior of the bigger circle. Now, I hope this question is clear to you. Let's discuss the 8th question now. It says name at least 8 different polygons that you can see in the given diagram. So, have a close look at the diagram given in the textbook, and you have to name 8 different polygons that you can find in this figure given here. Now, the 9th question is with reference to the given diagram, name the following. So, have a look at the textbook. We can see a quadrilateral PQRS given there, and there is a diagonal QS or SQ. Now, based on this diagram, you have to answer the questions here. Any two pairs of adjacent sides. For example, PQ and PS are two adjacent sides. You can name other adjacent sides as well. Now, a diagonal, you can see a diagonal SQ or QS there. So, you can write line segment SQ or line segment QS there. So, answer the other two questions as well. Let's discuss the 10th question now. It says, given that O is the center of this circle, based on the given figure, name the following. Look at your textbook. We can see a figure given there for question 10. Now, have a close look at the figure, and you have to answer the questions given here accordingly. For example, the first question, you have to name 6 line segments from this figure. So which are the 6 line segments in the given figure? It is line segment AC, line segment OA, OB, OC, line segment BC and line segment AB. So these are the 6 line segments in the given figure. Answer the rest of the questions also accordingly. So I hope all the questions we discussed today are clear to you. Make sure you complete the questions from revision time exercise, and you also have to complete the MCQs or multiple choice questions. Once you are done with the answers, please do take a picture and send this to Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye. Take care.